at Sinag Liga Asia official FB page and YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV. This is our second match of the evening. The battle between Tito Rex's Spinewire, J-Mile.
Here comes the Black Shirts. Del Rosario, baseline drive, the reverse. It won't bite. Rebound. Tito Jumper from the left wing. Nothing. Rebound controlled by Del Rosario. And ball tap out. It will stay with Jetour Exile.
Yung mga players sa 40 above na mga ganyan, mga 45 pataas na. Pagdating dito talaga, grabe yung unang-una, yung competition sa 40, ahead na eh.
And that ends up Jetour. Tito Rex Wire 17.
Ako sa nakikita natin sa screen ngayon, Sir Rai, no? Kasi despite of
We also have 0-0, Mark Del Rosario, and complete the free throw line. Didn't get it. At 14, 7 minutes and 56, the shot is short para kay Agarao. And Jetour has the letter. Hermes Medina, here comes Season. The bounce pass, the low post play, banging bodies there. Del Rosario on a tight bind, unable to convert. The bounce pass, the low post play, banging bodies there. Del Rosario on a tight shot, steals it. Ito na si Del Rosario. One-on-one situation. Del Rosario attacks the lane but missed the layup. Eugene Tan now to Fuliente, bounce back, inbound. Mateo, Del Rosario from the corner, jumper is short, rebound. Mopera brings it up para sa he's not prepared to take a shot. In a spin move, the turnaround, no. And easy rebound there by Del Rosario. Semilla brings it up. Semilla rebounds. Abapo brings it up, the lob. Could have been a touchdown. Del Rosario with a three-point play.
Yeah, Abapo being able to recognize na medyo mabagal yung pagbaba ng Tito Rex dito. And Del Rosario, very smart player, hinihingi niya yung bola for that pass.
And let's see this lakas drive of the quarter. Del Rosario with an N1 play brought you by CDO. Good spear, couldn't reach him. At palagay ko si Rosario kaya siya nakatakbo kasi check-in lang niya nung last 3 minutes di ba?
Oo.
Del Rosario for the bonus. No.
Yeah, and that's gonna be a very big thing here, yung fatigue, Sir Rai, no? Kasi, despite of them having deep lineup, talagang bilang lang. Tsaka 5 lang naman yung ipapasok dyan di ba? Kaya kailangan talaga mag-work ng bench.
In the meantime, the driving play, the hang time move, that's too strong.
Great fake, going to that left side. Great shot.
Another buzzer beater to end the third quarter. Requests just a fraction of a second left. Cans the three. It's a closely fought encounter between these two teams. Again, yung ating game story, the undefeated meets the
Sa top seed natin.
and of course, the Kimberly and Vincula on the sidelines. Fourth quarter action is underway. Here's the three-pointer. In and out for De Ramos. Jetour with a Fabricas. Inside on the right wing. Now top of the key. He will slow down the tempo. On top of him is De Ramos. Del Rosario on the right side. Shakla Katzen. Del Rosario pops out the jumper. Good!
Yeah, we can clearly see Del Rosario really taking advantage sa time na nakukuha niya dito. Despite of not having yeses on the floor, talaga nagtatrabaho siya para sa time niya.
Sherwin Silva can't.
Itong Del Rosario na to grabe, hindi defensively present talaga itong Del Rosario na to grabe yung tinatrabaho niya.
Coach Mike Jimenez relieved Romeo Fuliente. Just a brief break. But of course, we cannot discount Tito Rex firepower, especially in this important final quarter. As Jetour still leading by 6, 61-55.
Position, Sir Rai, nakikita natin dito sa Exile ngayon, no? Nawawala sila sa spot nila sa help deep.
Andro Requez, his brother. Low post play. Here it comes. Del Rosario banging bodies. This time he was whacked. And he will take 2 free throws.
Yeah, great reverse pivot there. Kasi alam niya, pino-force baseline siya So punta siya sa gitna. And
Doon mo makikita yung yung bukod sa mga force basean, yung marunong ka mag-drop step,
Oo.
malaking mama.
Yes.
Practice yun eh.
Right. Yun lang.
Del Rosario muff the free throw. And as a first timer in this Calibre 45, that's inevitable. Split charity, 66-65, Jetour. 3 minutes and 45 minutes ball. White wing. There's a foul away from the play. And if that is against Jetour, it will be free throws for Tito Rex. Aray.
Yeah, bad decision coming from Del Rosario. Napaka-unnecessary. Unang-una naka-zone defense naman sila. Hindi na nila kailangan gusto.
1-point lead for Tito Rex. Mar Reyes has it. 10 on the shot clock. Pick provided. From the corner, 3-point shot on its way. Short. Rebound control.
J Project.
Para sa Sidag Liga Calibre 45. And very shortly we'll bring you the upcoming games this set. Tito Rex. Should Semilla make this, it's going to be a timeout for Tito Rex. Tied game at 73. Tied game at 73. Coach, tabla panalo.
Yeah.
Tito Rex, what dates? Looking for a cutter. Sharon Silva has open. He fires! No! 40 playing minutes is not
Wow.
enough. We're gonna go to overtime and we're tied. Overtime para po kasama si Enes Ray Alaw at mamaya si Kimberly Advincola. Coach Ray, what happened to the first 45 minutes?
Well, first of all, Sir Rai, 100 siguro to. Itong scoring natin, kung talagang na-make lang nila yung free throws.
Okay, here's the drive by Lualhati. Miss both. Wow.
Nagkakatawanan na lang talaga eh. Hindi kasi talaga sila makashoot ng free throws eh.
81 apiece. Team. Semilla momentarily open.
Great seal, sayang.
Shot clock at 9 seconds. Joey Requez. Mata 81. Del Rosario. Shot clock at 10. Here comes the attack. Banging bodies there. Requez 3. Yes! That breaks the... They need a desperate heave. Pitch. Has it. 1 second to go. Almost! Almost, but not quite.
That's it. Sayang.
That is how you end.
Yeah, like what I said earlier, etong Jetour Exile, very, very great contender to para sa championship dito natin sa 45. They went up against the top seed, Tito Rex, and did very, very amazing. So excited ako para...